A negative number raised to an odd power gives a negative answer. So what do we mean by that? We mean if we have a negative number inside the brackets and our power outside the bracket is an odd number, then it means our answer will be positive, will be negative. So negative 2, m to the 2, y to the 3, all these things are inside the brackets, raised to the power 3. 3 is an odd number, so it means our answer will be negative. So we now have to apply that law of product of indices. The power 3 is going to affect all the powers inside the brackets. It's going to multiply, which means that we are going to have minus 2 to the 3, m to the 2 times 3, y to the 3 times 3, like that. And then our negative 2 to the power 3 gives us negative 8. You can see that our answer here is negative. M to the 6, y to the 9. That will be our answer. Because we have a negative number raised to a negative, so to an odd power. What happened here? Negative 2 to the power 3. It means that it's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, we have a negative number multiplying negative number. We talked about these things when we were doing number directions. So negative negative gives us positive, so 2 times 2 gives us 4. This will be positive 4 multiplied by negative 2. Then positive multiplied by negative gives us negative. Then 4 times 2 gives us 8. That's why we have a negative 8 there. So continuing with this example of a negative number raised to an odd power, you can see that negative 3, x to the 2, y to the 4, m. All these things are in the brackets raised to the power 5, which is an odd number. So our answer should be negative as well. And then now we apply that law of product of indices. All the powers inside the brackets are going to be multiplied by 5. So someone could be asking, why are we having 5 as a power to that negative 3? We know that a number without a power shown or highlighted, it is raised to the power 1, which means in this case, it's a negative 3 to the power 1. So that one is going to multiply 5, which makes it 5. That's why you have negative 3 to the power 5. So negative 3 to the power 5, x to the power 2 times 5, y to the power 4 times 5, m to the 5. So negative 3 to the 5 gives us negative 243, x to the 10, y to the 20, m to the 5. That will be our answer. We have an odd power, therefore we have a negative answer because we have a negative number inside the brackets. So as you can see here, negative 3 to the power 5, it means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. That's 5 times. And then we continue multiplying, applying the understanding of directions, number directions. We talked about these things.